This is the Fanttik X9. Inflates a tire from 30 to 30 psi in a minute's time. Inflates a raft, volleyball, bicycle, and more. It's not just an inflator. It's a classic jet inflator with a power bank, a light, as well as a vacuum. As we open up the unit, you get an instruction guide located on top, as well as a picture and accessories of all the parts of the unit, 8 of them. You have your hose line and different types of inflators and vacuum uses. You have a nice carrying bag for your unit. Inside, nicely packaged, will be your USB-C compliance and your power inflator, your jet inflator. There's a nice grip inflator, a nice large fan area. Please remember to remove the film off the large screen and the 5 buttons to operate the unit. You have the venting area and the hose connecting area and the LED light ring. And underneath where the controls are is your USB-C compliance port. We're going to show you how to charge the unit by plugging in the USB-C cable. You have 3 dashes and your battery indicator and a nice soft white LEDs. We have a rubber hose. One end screws in and the other goes to the bike area. Locate the front of the unit and screw on. We have a vodka solid ball. We have the attachment to plug in. As we go over the buttons, the first one is your light, your negative, your on and off, your positive, and the mode changing, and to press for pump and off. 1, 2, 3, turns the unit on. Everything lights up with a nice green window on car, motorcycle, bicycle, to a basketball, volleyball, so forth, a fan, a vacuum. So we're going into the volleyball, basketball. We are going into 7, 6, 5 pounds to blow up our ball. As we screw on the adapter, the ball is deflated and we're going to inflate. Simply press and the pump is quiet, not noisy. It hits 3 psi and the ball is blown up. 40 psi for the bicycle tires as we remove the cap, and gives us a pressure of 29 as we change over to bicycle. We are 45, which are changing to a 40 and pumping. Hitting the maximum amount of pressure and automatically shuts off when the green line fills to the top and PSI has reached 40. Remove cap. As the pump is a tire gauge, as you check the pressure without releasing air, we're at 28 psi and pumping up turbo. .37 psi, we're hooked up, removal, and pumped. We're in a low lit situation as we have the light on and we hold the button. We have an SOS light that will flash SOS. And press the button and hold for vacuum so it switches. And here we go. When done, hit the off button and everything stops. To blow up rafts, balls, and so forth, the tube goes on. Pick a tube of your choice and place on the end like so. And then choose the mode for basketball, rafts, and more by pressing the button, and it'll pump up. Now, to use it as a blower to cool off and more, simply remove the hose, go to mode, and pick the speeds you want. Speed number 2. You could blow nails, blow dirt, clean off anything that has dirt around. That's speed number 2, kind of powerful. And speed number 3. Fanttik Classic X9. Tire inflator, bike inflator, boat inflator, and more. It is also a power bank USB-C. With your own USB-C to C cable, plug into any device, the unit comes on and charges. I hope you enjoy your classic X9, power bank, light, inflator, vacuum. Enjoy your product if this is right for you.